Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Rashmi Yoga. Let's study about Rashmi Yoga. When one planet gets into an exaltation, then the Rashmi Yoga gets formed. All the planets get exalted in one particular sign. When it gets exalted, it gives benefic results. That particular benefic result or that particular yoga is known as Rashmi Yoga. Let's study in detail. Rashmi Yoga in Vedic astrology. Through the concept of this yoga in detailed form, but in general terms, when the planet is in its exalted sign, then Rashmi Yoga said to get formed. Every planet is exalted or gets debilitated in one particular sign or the other. When the planet gets exalted, it becomes stronger and gives benefic results. And when planet goes into debilitation state, it does not able to give benefic results. For example, Sun is exalted in Aries, gets debilitated in Libra. Moon is exalted in Taurus, gets debilitated in Scorpio, and so on. Let's see an example. If Jupiter is in Cancer in the 4th house, Moon is exalted in Taurus in 2nd house, and this will form Rashmi Yoga. In this case, the native will earn through investments made. The native will be luckier in making investment. The native will acquire immovable assets like house and vehicle too. The native will get help from mother. The native will have family happiness. Thus, with exaltation of planet, one will get benefic results which will further depend upon in which sign these planets are placed. This is my website. I have given the link of the website in the description box. Anyone can reach me through the link for the consultation purpose, or they can reach me through telephone, mobile, WhatsApp, Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.